Greetings, Instagram enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered why some stories garner a multitude of views while yours seem to be waiting in the wings? We have just the right solution for you. We're thrilled to unveil our latest offering at YT Boost, the opportunity to buy Instastory views. Our service allows you to purchase genuine and active Instastory views at a competitive price. This translates to increased visibility, heightened engagement, and a growing follower base for you. You might be wondering, why invest in Instastory views? The answer is straightforward. More views equate to broader exposure. Greater exposure leads to an expanding follower base. Our process is streamlined. Simply navigate to our product page, input the desired number of views, provide your profile link, and presto. We place your satisfaction at the forefront of our priorities. We guarantee swift delivery, secure payment, and a refund policy if we're unable to deliver within the stipulated timeframe. So, why wait? Elevate your Instagram presence with YT Boost's Buy Instastory Views service. Visit our website today and embark on your journey to Instagram prominence.